Selamat pagi teman-teman. Perkenalkan, nama saya Januarius Jeffrey, NIM saya 21002030031. Prodi saya adalah PGSD kelas A. Baik, di sini saya akan menceritakan dongeng tentang Cinderella dalam berbahasa Inggris. Baiklah, kita mulai. Cinderella. Once upon a time in a kingdom, there lived a pretty girl named is Cinderella. She was very beautiful and keen-hearted. Her parents had long passed away. She lived with her cruel stepmother and two stepsisters, Anastasia and Drizel. Every day, the stepmother forced Cinderella to do the housekeeping. Meanwhile, Anastasia and Drizel were only two lazy girls who loved to make over themselves. One day, there was a ball invitation from the kingdom to the old girl. The lucky girl would marry the prince. The stepmother and two stepsisters were so happy to hear that. Anastasia and Drizel started to dress up. However, they became nicer themselves. Cinderella, comb my hair and put the ribbon on my head, said Drizel. This ribbon for you, Drizel, replied Cinderella. No, no, no. Take my shoes and fit them on my feet, shouted Anastasia. Hey, she must do all that I say, not you. No, she must help me to make me prettier than all girl. Sultry, after the unimportant debate, they looked ready to go the ball invitation. Cinderella really wanted to go with them, so she asked her stepmother, May I go to the ball, Mom? Asked Cinderella. Huh? What do you think? You better stay at home. Clean all the room, washing, dishing, and clothes, replied the stepmother. You haven't really smell, Ella. If you go with us, you will make us ham, mocked Anastasia. That's right. You don't even have a dress. The prince won't see you, even if you come there, added Drizel. But I really want to go, sister, said Cinderella. Although Cinderella has begged the stepmother and her two stepsisters did allow her to come to the ball. They left Cinderella alone at home. She began to cry. I really want to go. I wish I can go to the ball and meet the prince, said her. Suddenly, there was a bright light, a fairy godmother appeared and approached her. Cinderella, please don't cry. Am I fairy godmother? Who will help you to go to the ball, said the fairy godmother. Cinderella was very happy. The fairy godmother asked Cinderella to find 6 mice, 6 lizards, and a golden pumpkin. So, Cinderella went to go garden and brought them to the fairy godmother. Aha, smart girl. Look, Simsalabim agrabah. Oh, I think it's not the spell. Simsalabim Adakadabra, magically, the golden pumpkin turned in the very beautiful gold cart. The 6 mice turned in the 6 horse, and the 6 lizards turned in the bodyguard. Then the fairy godmother swung her wing and spoke the same spell. Amazing! Cinderella, dirty coat, sang in the very beautiful dress with sparkling jewelry. She wore a pair of glass slippers too. Before she left, the fairy godmother told her, Ella, the magic will disappear after the bell of 20 o'clock ring. Therefore, exactly at 12 nights, you have to leave the ball. Well, fairy godmother, I will remember this message and leave the party promptly at the 12 nights. Thank you so much, Mom. Cinderella immediately went to the ball with all her magical things in the prince. All the girls saw their beauty in the front of the prince, but the prince didn't seem impressed by any of them. Not long, Cinderella arrived at the ball. People were very surprised because of her beauty, including the stepmother and 2 sisters. They didn't realize that pretty girl was Cinderella. The prince was impressed and approached Cinderella. Princess, you look so beautiful. Will you dance with me? Asked the prince. Of course. It's an honor that I can dance with you, replied Cinderella. Happy, both of them were dancing with happiness all night. Cinderella was so happy and forgot this time. Apparently, the clock started approaching at 12 o'clock. The bell began to ring. I'm sorry, Prince. I have to go home. She ran out of the place, but one, her glass slipper, had left on the way. She kept running. The prince ran after her and found Cinderella's glass slipper in the middle of the stair. The prince took it and plans to find where the actual owners of the glass slipper was. A few days next day, the prince and his soldier went from house to house to find the owner of the glass slipper. However, none of them was suitable. Finally, he arrived at Cinderella's home. Anastasia and Rizal tried the glass slipper. I'm the older sister, so let me try it first. What? It's too small, but at the ball it was fit on my feet, said Anastasia. Don't stay any reason. It's my turn to try the glass slipper. Oh, maybe I soaked it in warm water too long this morning. So my foot is shaking. It's too big on my foot, sighed Rizal. The prince and his soldier almost gave up. Suddenly, Cinderella came in her dirty coat. The prince asked Cinderella to try the glass slipper too, but the cruel stepmother refused to let her try. I'm sorry, my majesty. How can you think that dirty girl is maybe the prince? "It's impossible, is it?" said the stepmother. "Miss, she has a right to try the glass slipper too," replied the prince. Cinderella stuck her foot in the glass slipper. Magically, she turned back into a beautiful prince. "Amazing! The magic is back," said Cinderella. Everybody very surprised, especially the stepmother and two stepsisters. "How can you return in the prince?" said the stepmother. Then the prince asked to Cinderella to marry him. "You are the girl who I had been looking for. Will you marry me?" asked the prince. Of course. After that, Cinderella went to the palace with her prince and lived happy together. Baik teman-teman, itu cerita Cinderella dalam berbahasa Inggris. Terima kasih.